Hello, this is Dr. Arunima Ray, consultant dermatologist and dermatosurgeon from Calcutta. So one of the very common problems that we face in our OPD every day is people telling us about the dark circles. So dark circles are a very common problem throughout India. What happens is people often feel that the appearance of the face looks much more tired. It looks much more like they've not been able to sleep. They look sick. They look haggard, and that is when these dark circles become very prominent. So when it comes to dark circles, actually it's not just a one treatment for everything. Dark circles, while they appear as dark circles, can be due to different reasons. So first and foremost, obviously when it comes to lifestyle, we have to look at whether the person is getting enough rest, whether there's 7 to 8 hours of sleep, whether there is no dehydration, whether there is adequate especially if a person has some kind of visual problem, say they need to use specs and they're not using it, or they have frequent eye allergies. If they have a tendency to rub their eyes, so that also causes a lot of dark circles. Additionally, if a patient is allergy prone, they tend to have more of dark circles. So those are some of the underlying reasons that the skin in that area may appear darker. Another reason is, especially in the Indian population, our face is shaped such that our eyes are a little more towards the inside. So this gives a hollowing effect. Now what happens is, when light falls, that shadow of the upper part of the head, when it falls, it gives the illusion of dark circles. It makes it look more tired. So that means that the eyes are a little sunken in. So in these cases, what we need to do is, we need to lift the eyes. So if we don't lift the eyes, then it'll keep looking like there are dark circles. It looks very tired. So we use fillers or hyaluronic acid agents to lift the eye, and instantly the face starts to look refreshed and rejuvenated. There is some kind of a glow and a freshened look immediately when we use fillers to get over that effect. Other than that, also sometimes if you have pigmentary conditions like melasma, these will give the appearance of pigmentation in the under eye, so that's what looks like dark circles. But anyway, the treatment of dark circle is not just like, just one cream or one lotion. Primarily procedures, especially things like chemical peeling, things like lasers, things like fillers, they have a very good role to play. So using these multimodality approach, both fillers, chemical peels, lasers, all of it together actually gives a very refreshed and rejuvenated look. So in case you have dark circles and you have already tried taking care of your lifestyle and you feel that's still not improving, I would highly recommend that you please visit your dermatologist. You get a thorough consultation of what can be done, and you go step by step and you embrace and accept the procedures that you have to do, because they yield such a fruitful effect and your face looks so fresh and rejuvenated. So definitely there is a solution to your dark circles, and you need a thorough consultation from your dermatologist to understand the problem. So that's all about dark circles. Thank you very much.